FedDataCheck's Excel tool now includes greenhouse gas reporting information from SAM. To download the Excel tool, go to feddatacheck.net and look under Reports, Ad Hoc, and Miscellaneous Reports. Now let's say we wanted to know if the largest award recipients are reporting their greenhouse gas emissions. For purposes of this example, we're looking at GSA Mod 0 awards in FY22. Scroll to the end of the pivot table fields list and add vendor name or UEI to rows. Sort by obligated amount by right-clicking in any one of the obligated amount cells. Next, bring in the GHG disclosure field you'd like into rows. For purposes of this example, we're going to look at whether or not the vendor discloses emissions and at what URL if they do so. Lastly, to view the information side by side in columns, right-click in one of the vendor name and GHG emissions fields, go to Field Settings, and in Subtotals, hit None, and in Layout and Print, hit Display Items in Tabular Form and repeat item labels.